If your LG refrigerator has stopped giving you water or ice, don't call a repairman just yet because the fix is often simpler than you think. Statistically, nearly 40% of dispenser failures are caused by a simple clogged water filter or a poorly seated cartridge. Let's start by walking through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly where the blockage is happening. First, ensure the child lock isn't active and verify that your home water supply valve is fully turned on. A frozen water line inside the door is a common LG issue, especially if you hear the valve clicking but nothing comes out. If only the ice is failing, check the ejector arm for jams or frost buildup on the optical level sensors. You can tell the difference by the sound. A frozen line is silent, while a failing valve often makes a loud buzzing noise. Replacing a valve yourself is relatively affordable, but a full ice maker assembly can be a significant investment. Try the manual reset button on the ice maker unit to force a cycle and see if the motor is still functional. Most of these repairs only require basic tools like a screwdriver and a hair dryer to thaw out the lines. Remember to always check your home's water pressure at the wall before you spend money on internal components. With these steps, you should have your water and ice back in no time. Thanks for watching your Tech Pal.